Whoa! Stop!
It's 100-foot drop.
It's 200.
What's that for?
Digging a snow anchor.
He's coming. What if we fall?
There's 20 feet of fresh powder down there. It'll be like landing on a pillow. Probably. Okay, Anna. On 3. 1.
No way. No, I'm not going. 3!
What? Whoa! That happened. Man, am I out of shape. There we go. Hey, Anna! Kristoff! Where'd you guys go? We totally lost Marshmallow back there. Hey! We were just talking about you. All good things? All good things? No! This is not making much of a difference, is it?
Oma!
Hang in there, guys!
Go faster!
Stop squirming!
Keep moving! Wait, what? No!
Hey.
No! Kristoff! Hey, you were right. Just like a pillow. Oma!
I can't feel my legs. Those are my legs. Oh, hey, do me a favor, grab my butt. Oh, that feels better. Now we just have to survive this blizzard!
That's no blizzard! That's my sister!